Core OpenGL concepts, coordinate systems, vertices, and shaders. So this is the activity 6 of AMC 221. Coordinate system. A coordinate system is a method for identifying the location of a point on the Earth. Most coordinate systems use two numbers, coordinate, to identify the location of a point. Each of these numbers indicates the distance between the point and some fixed reference point, called the origin. Coordinate systems, it has object coordinate systems, model coordinates, world coordinate system, view coordinate system or eye coordinates, clip coordinate system, normalized device coordinates, NDC, window coordinates, screen coordinates. Next is vertices. A vertices in shapes or vertices are the points where two or more line segments or edges meet. So just like a corner where lines and edges meet, it is called a vertex or vertices because two lines has meet. The singular of vertices is a vertex. For example, a cube has 8 vertices and a cone has 1 vertex. Vertices are sometimes called corners, but when dealing with 2D and 3D shapes, the word vertices is preferred. So, this is the example of vertices. Vertex definition, vertex buffers, vertex arrays, vertex shaders, and vertices in rendering. So these vertices are all important. Shaders, the last one. Shaders is a graphic processing function, or vertex shader is a graphic processing function used to add special effects to objects in a 3D environment by performing mathematical operations on the objects or vertex data. So examples are vertex shaders, fragment shaders, geometry shaders, tessellation shaders, and compute shaders.